I'm so excited to be here at OrangeTee Unity Convention today. I'm Ivy Yu from AAG Johnny Ng branch, and I'm the principal trainer in OrangeTee. Congratulations to all achievers.
Alright, hi everyone. My name is Jayden Tan from AAG Johnny Ng branch. Today I'm very grateful that I was awarded second runner-up for Emerald of Katong. Very excited to be with OrangeTee, appreciate those who have given me this opportunity, and I look forward to everyone in supporting me on the next few upcoming new launch. I'll see you soon.